Okay, so as you can see, we're here back at the garden. Just had kind of a pretty hard frost here. It's about 2:30 now. It's still pretty chilly outside. So wanted to check on the pump. We were gonna have a look at the pump today, or the water, making sure everything's gonna work. As you can see, so this is where the pump's gonna go, theoretically. Not quite sure how that works. Or maybe it goes down there? I don't know. That's the electricity for the pump there. And I was just gonna try to turn it on. There's the on. Kind of see what happens. See if any water comes out. All right, I gotta put some gloves on first. It's kind of cold. Yeah, so there's the water head. And there's a... Yeah, that's not even turning. So that's where the pump's gonna go, right? That's like the pump inlet, I take it. And then we've got this connecting to the rest of the water over here. Okay, that's my wrench looking very orange right now. We'll have to get a tripod. Okay, note to self, get tripod. Also, I'm turning the wrong way. Okay, here we go. That's it. No, that's not too, is it? Yes. Okay. Okay, not quite sure what this is doing, but it's turning. Yeah, so that's the pump situation as it stands, December 25th, 2025, Christmas Day. Yeah, I'm going to need a lot of help with this, so if you've got any ideas or comments, or let me know how the hell this thing's going to work, just let me know. And together we're going to get through this. Be sure to subscribe, keep watching, and I'll be getting a lot better equipment soon. I think Santa brought me some better film equipment, so hopefully these things will start looking a lot better. All right, thanks.